Hi guys! Today we are going to talk about wafer paper decorations, as you can see here, and I'll show you three different types of decorations. This one's a little bit different, and this third ones are these beautiful lacy pieces. And to make this type of decorations, I'm going to use regular wafer paper. And I'm going to use one sheet, we'll fold it in half, and I'm going to use this craft punch. This one is 1.5 inches, about 37 millimeters, and I'm going to punch 5 times, so in total I'm going to need 10 circles. And as you know, wafer paper has two sides. One side is bumpy and the other side is smooth. So I'm going to fold this circle in half, bumpy side in. So my smooth side is on the outside. And I will divide it into piles 5 and 5. Next, what I'm going to do is use a little bit of water, put it on my table. You can see I barely have any water here, just a few drops. I'm going to take my 5 now half circles together, make sure that they lined up properly. I'm going to hold them in one hand like this, and I'm going to dip them in my water on my table, making sure all of them are covered in water and a little bit sticky. And I'm going to put it on the side to dry. And after about 10-15 minutes, what you will get is this shape. So I made this earlier, and now you can play around and adjust. And then if you wanted to make the decorations larger and fuller, you can glue them together, attaching using a little bit of water on one side, just a touch to stick them together like this, and then you can build and add more decorations and make it almost like a full circle. So second type of decorations, we are going to make slightly different way of same look. So I have a piece of wafer paper folded in half, and I'm going to use same punch. This is 1.5 inches, 37 millimeters, and you can punch as much or as little of these circles as you want. And I'm going to fold them in half again, same bumpy side in, smooth side on the outside. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of water, put it on my table, on my working surface. Start with one piece, take another piece, dip it in water, glue it in the middle, something like this, and continue doing the same. So I have 3 in the middle. Now I'm going to take a few more pieces and insert them somewhere here, for example, and continue playing around and making these shapes like that. So I'm just using a little bit of water and I'm creating these shapes. And maybe one right here. So this one takes literally seconds. And then you can leave it to dry on the table for another 10-15 minutes, and after it's dry you can again shape it, you can move it, open it up, and you can do the same type of decorations using smaller craft punch like I have here. So I used 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters punch to create these shapes. And for the third type of decorations, I'm going to use again wafer paper, but this time I'm going to use this lace making mold, and I'll post a link to where you can buy similar one. And to create this type of shapes, I actually use a cutting machine, so I have these shapes pre-made and pre-cut, but you can use a pair of scissors and cut different shapes you like, something like this. You don't need to use a cutting machine, and it's still going to look interesting no matter what, something like this. So to shape my lace, I'm going to use high-proof alcohol. You can use vodka. I prefer to use alcohol because it dries faster. So I'm going to take my piece of wafer paper and apply Everclear or any high-proof alcohol to both sides. And I'm going to work relatively quick because I don't want my wafer paper to melt. I want to take it on the shape of this lace mold. So I'm putting the second part on top and pressing it down. And what I found with wafer paper, to transfer this texture, you need to press relatively hard. And now I have my piece. If I have time or I wanted to have this texture more pronounced, I would leave it to dry on this mold like this for at least a few minutes. But if you do not have time or you need to make a lot, you just release it and put it on the side to dry. Again, a little bit of high-proof alcohol to both sides in a mold and press it down. So it does look like a lace piece. And I will bring all my other decorations, make my wafer paper glue recipe, and we'll assemble this on a cake.